Hello everyone, Mego Ayvazian here, hair colorist in the first place, creative director and vice president for show and education for Farouk Systems. Today, we are here to show you our new Ionic tube colors with the new technology, with Hue Definition Technology, Aloe Vera, Hyaluronic Acid, and Silk Keratin Protein. What is the special in Ionic tube colors? It's ammonia-free, PVD-free, ultimate shine, and your hair is gonna be in much better condition. Today, we have with us our beautiful model with different hair color. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna blend all these colors together to give that beautiful, trendy hair color. So the first part, we have the roots, the grow roots, and then we have like 2 inches, 3 inches of brassy, golden copper color, and then we have light in the ends. She likes to be like more coppery ginger look, so we're gonna use our 8CG, which is gold copper, and then we're gonna use also the 8C. Mix them together to have that beautiful blend, and then start from the roots till the mid shaft, and then the ends we're gonna make little bit lighter, so we're gonna have that beautiful blend to give you the best trendy look using the Ionic shine tube colors. Before any color service or application, I always like to use Royal Treatment Bond and Seal natural bonding system. So it's gonna let the hair connect all together. The hair is gonna absorb the product and it's gonna let connect all together. And in the same time, it's low pH. It's gonna balance all the porosity of the hair to have healthier, shinier, and the hair in much better condition. Now we're gonna start applying our color. We're gonna start applying from the roots till mid shaft, and then we're gonna start blending all together, and then we're gonna put on the ends.